simple as it seems, the twinkle in your eyes, the way that time slows down when you kiss me. As we fall asleep in a bed of butterflies, just close your eyes and then you'll see it. You don't ever have to.
Update namin for our launching for the second collection or our August Sassy collection. So, nagpa-finalize lang kami ng mga stocks at inaayos lang namin yung aming final look ng aming mga new collection. Tapos, i-release na namin to within this month, this August. So probably the first week of this month of August or second week. So watch out for the release of our new collection. At ano namin yun, magla-live kami for the launching of our August collection. So watch out for it. na ready for launching this coming August 7, 2021, 7 p.m. Yan. So, abangan nyo ang aming launching. So, yan guys. Yung space for our shoes. Yan, just ready na yan yung mga box. And this one is the bubble wrap and the stickers and all the boxes na pwedeng gamitin for delivery. And this one is our t-shirts from Ayumi's Fashion. Yan. So, available din tong t-shirt sa aming allweeksale.com website. So, pwede kayong umorder ng t-shirts sa aming website. So, ayan. So, yun side na yun, dun yung shoes. Yun, so may mga monthly, may mga stocks tayong dadating. And in this side naman, here is our t-shirts. Yan. So, itong mga nandito, konti lang yung mga stocks, but we have almost 10,000 stocks of t-shirts na ready na din yan for shipping. Yan. So, here din, ayan, may mga iba pang t-shirts dyan. Then, shoes, ito ready for shipping na din. Yan. So, and yung short video or short tour sa aming little storage area. So, guys, meron din kaming yan, polo shirts. Maganda yung tela namin. Yan. So, it's a comfortable materials. Then, for this, we have oversized yan, oversized hoodie. Yan. So, this one, yung mga cotton spandex. And here is the jersey cotton. So, I will vlog more about our t-shirts in my next video naman, para maging familiar din kayo, lalo na din sa mga nagtatanong about our t-shirts. Yan. So, yan guys, the businesses that I'm doing. So, I have my t-shirt business, and my latest one is the shoes. So, yan pa lang yung, kasi yung iba na ubos na, sold out na. So, yan. So, ito yung ngayon na current stock namin, that hopefully ma-sold out din. Yan. This coming August 7, 7 p.m. we will be live. We will go live in Facebook, in our Facebook page, Sassy Collection. So, we will be giving giveaways. Meron kaming giveaways for that particular day. So, dun sa mga manunood, meron kayong a chance na magkaroon ng free shoes from Sassy Collection. Ayan guys. So, see you on our launching, or August launching. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. This is Sassy.